Manipur Legislative Assembly's Speaker Tribunal today reserved its judgment on pleas seeking disqualification of 5 NPP and 1 JDU MLAs under anti-defection law. The Speaker's Tribunal also urged all parties to make relevant submission by 1 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking in this regard, advocate for petitioner Hareshwar Goswami and Bhupendra Mete said he had appeared in the case concerning disqualification of Kakching MLA Mayang Lambam Rameshwar, Moirang MLA Thongam Shanti, Tamenglong MLA Janhemlung Pamay and Oinam MLA Irengbam Nalini, who defected from NPP to BJP, while advocate N. Mahendra appeared on behalf of petitioners Sapam Samungao and Tokchom Sur, who have filed disqualification petition against Wangoy MLA Kuraijam Loken and JDU MLA from Lilong constituency Abdul Nasir respectively. While thanking Speaker's Tribunal for expediting the judgment, Advocate Bhupendra said this move will help in saving the Constitution.
The Honourable Speaker has reserved the judgment after a lengthy hearing from both the sides. Because there are 6 cases today, I appeared for disqualification case number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of 2025 representing Hareshwar Goswami against 4 NPP MLAs, namely Mayangnamam Rameshwar Singh, Thongam Shanti Singh, Janghilun Pamay and Irengbam Nalini Devi. And there are also other 2 disqualification petitions filed by Sapam Samungao Singh against Kuraijam Loken Singh, NPP MLA, and disqualification case number 6 of 2024 filed by Tokchom Sur Singh against JDU MLA Mohammad Abdul Nasir. The petitioners, we had all the representation through their councils. So I have at length deliberated and already submitted my submissions for almost an hour. And after which there was a break for half an hour and then it followed the further submission from all the parties. And at the end, the Speaker decided to reserve the judgment by saying that till tomorrow 1 p.m. if there any written submission, any form of any submissions in form of writing, any sort of document, whatever may be, that may be submitted from all the parties if they have any before 1 p.m. tomorrow. As of now, all the 6 cases, their judgments have been kept reserved by the Honourable Speaker. I think this is in a very expeditious way in which the Honourable Speaker has decided, and this, in fact, it's for the betterment of saving the Constitution.